How to go live on TikTok in 2021 without 1K followers. In 2020, I made this video. Right now, this is an update, but it still works. Alright, so what you want to do is simply open the TikTok app, click on the three dots in the top right corner so that you can go into your settings. If you then scroll down, you want to find the help center, which is right there under support. If you click on that, it's going to show you this. By the way, you want to go back, you want to go to report a problem, my bad. Next up, what you want to find is this one, live/payment/rewards. And you want to click on this. Next up, click on hosting a live, just like that. And then click on live is suspended or other. I'm going to go with live is suspended. Click no. Still have a problem. And then right there, you should be able to give them feedback. There we go. So you want to say, hi, I was able to go live in the past, but not anymore. My fans would love to see me go live. Please enable my live feature again. Cheers. So you want to say something along these lines, and then you want to simply click report right there. Then you want to wait at least 84 hours, and they will most likely, for most people this will work, turn on the live feature on your TikTok account. Let me know if it works down below. Make sure you go ahead and wait 48 hours, then come back to the video and let me know. Leave a like on the video, subscribe if you want to see more, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.